Good afternoon mga brad. So it's weekend again here. Medyo mainit-init ngayon. 45 degrees mga brad. And we will try something to make us cool. So we'll try this trendy ice cream. Flavored ice cream. So I'll show you. There you go. Ito yung nakita lang daw nila sa... Saan mo nakita to, Donna?
TikTok.
Sa TikTok. So this one is a mango ice cream. And this one is a peach. It's peach. I think it originated from China. I think, yeah. I think in China. So, it is going to open. Wow, nice foot. Giant foot. Okay. Go. You try. We have some commercial. Yeah, just open. So, that's how you're going to open. There. And then, hi Mamita. Mamita Rose. She's watching. Yeah. Kung sa Pinas, inuulan kayo dyan dito. Desyertong. What's the taste of that one? What do you expect?
Peach.
Peach, mango. Yan. Very slow.
I don't know.
Wow! Yung price niya yan, huwag yun ang tanong. Medyo pricey siya. So, we just tried. We'll just try kung ano tong pinagkakaguluhan nila.
Oh.
Ano yan? Ano yan? So, paano mo kakainin yan, May?
You hold here.
Here.
And then you bite it.
Oh.
Yeah, you hold.
You taste. You'll be the first one to taste, ate.
Yeah.
Yeah, go.
It's like,
It's like a butt. Oh. How is
no,
it?
you're, oh my god.
Oh,
There's a
looks
peach.
smooth.
Ate, you, Isan, try it.
You, Sen, you try. Ay, excited. It's peach, but how's the texture?
Give to daddy.
I will try also, my bread. We will try. So this is the one. This is the peach. So yummy.
He's gonna take you open here.
It's okay. No problem.
Oh, the other one.
Masarap siya mga brad. Worth it naman. Nami. And this one is the mango. Oh, be careful, it might fall.
Yum.
Yeah, it's really yummy. So refreshing. So alluring. So, may yumminess siya. Yan. Pag-alis pa lang ng package, mga brad, natatagalan na tayo. Yung. Yan. Try nga tayo. Wow, beautiful model.
How's it?
Mango.
Mango.
It's more delicious in a Capilot mango? What do you think? Sarap siya. Masarap. Ano sa tingin mo? Ha?
Which is better, that one or mango?
Yan.
It is a bit the same.
We'll try mga bread. This one, oh. There.
You sick dog.
Matitikman mo talaga yung pagka mango-ness niya.
Matamis.
Ha?
It's unique, right? So amazing.
Hindi siya ganun katamis, sakto lang.
It's not that.
So yummy.
You can still taste the flavor.
Yeah.
It's good.
You can really taste the flavor of the fruit. Be careful, it's melting now.
So yummy.
Yeah. Try nyo rin mga brad. Masarap siya.
23 siya.
Worth it. Actually, 23 reals siya. So, it's a bit pricey. Pero kung itratry lang naman, why not, di ba? Ano? Oh. Kita nyo naman sa mukha nila, no? Ayaw na nilang ano. Ayaw. Gaganyan ka lang, Vincent, kasi nga, no? Naka-video ka. But I like more the mango. Right? Which do you prefer?
It's just the same.
You, Ate San, which do you prefer? I like the mango more. Or maybe I'm not fan of
Peach.
peach.
There's one more flavor the lemon.
Lemon, yeah. I think that's good also. Yan, share. Oh. Wala na, nakalimutan ng mag-share.
What?
Happy kayo. Try ko lang, ate.
Yeah, I like the mango better.
Told you.
It's just nice.
Can you eat here?
It's melting already, oh.
It's melting now.
Mango is melting.
Because you must have not eaten the outer part. Because I think that's a hard part for that one. It's holding it, what's inside.
It's melting a while ago, right? Ate?
Ha? Ate,
You want mommy?
yeah.
Okay, look to that.
Happy sila, no?
Actually, you can remove that one. You push
Which
it.
one? Yeah.
Push up, yeah.
Oh,
It's okay, just push up.
be careful. And then,
Top.
it's up.
Just hold it.
So, yan po yung ice cream na pinagkakaguluhan. Saan ba yan? TikTok? TikTok, yenes. But it's worth it. Yan. Mami, ito na. You're fine now? Yung sarap siya. Refreshing. Parang mawawala yung init ng ulo mo. Sige na mga Brad. Hubusin na nila kasi parang hindi ko na matitikman. Yan. Next time again mga Brad.